guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Steffany. Today I will be doing an unboxing and quick review of Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection, you guys. I'm still so excited to do I normally don't do unboxings or do swatches because I feel like there's so many of them, but I had to for this. I had to, you guys. Keep on watching. The first product that I want to show you is the Urban Decay Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette. You guys, this palette retails for $65 and it comes with 20 shades. Right here you have a nice big large mirror, and there you have a quote from Daenerys Targaryen. There is a pop-up. This is the Iron Throne, as I'm sure you all know. And there is a quote. Shadow pops out. Let me see. Right here, like a little drawer situation. The palette looks like, you guys. So the palette has 20 shades, and each one represents the intensity and diversity of Westeros power players. You guys, you have some mattes. The eyeshadow palette has mattes, has shimmers, metallic, all beautiful shades, and I'm gonna swatch all of them now. Take the black, jet black with iridescent micro shimmer, White Walker blue shift, Wilson North deep teal with iridescent micro shimmer, Free Folk silver metallic, Maria warm terracotta matte, Winter is Here dark brown with iridescent micro shimmer, Weirwood Leaves deep plum satin, Sight metallic green with iridescent micro shimmer, Red Keep warm copper metallic, Casterly Rock dark bronze metallic, Lannister peach matte, Lannister red burgundy brick, Stormborn purple metallic with iridescent micro shimmer, House Targaryen pale rose gold metallic, Strachey gold metallic, Bandini lilac with blue shift, sparkling white transformer shade, Winterfell antique gold transformer shade, King's Landing pale gold transformer shade, of Dragon sparkling pink transformer shade. Urban Decay also created these two brushes inspired by the weapons. This one is inspired by Jon Snow's long claw. It is a blending brush, pro quality, cruelty free, and you can blend, pack on powder. Very versatile. Stark's Needle flat eyeshadow brush, and it is more of a precision eyeshadow, and I can see this being a perfect brush to apply concealer, a highlighter under the brow, pack on some metallic shades. This is the Mother of Dragon highlight palette. So it comes with 3 shades. The first shade is Drogon, and Drogon is a frosted pink. Viceron is a metallic golden nude. Rhaegal is a metallic bronze shade. In the collection is this Game of Thrones Dracarys lip cheek stain. It's inspired by Targaryen red, perfect see-through flush on the lips and the cheeks. Collection, there are also 4 24/7 glide-on eyeshadow pencils, and they're all waterproof. First up is Winterfell Snow, and it is a iridescent white. Mr. Gold, it is a metallic gold shade. Night King is a shimmery dark teal. Dragon Smoke is a holographic black. Collection, there are 4 lipstick shades. It's called Cersei Lannister, bright metallic bronze. Targaryen is a fiery red. Sansa Stark, peachy nude. I can't rave this collection enough, you guys. This eyeshadow palette. First of all, if you are a Game of Thrones lover like I am, you need this. You need something in this collection. Obviously, depending on your budget. But if I was to get one thing, it would probably be the eyeshadow palette, you guys. 20 shades of just absolutely stunning colors. There's just so many combinations that you can get out of this palette. You have mattes, you have shimmer, you have metallics. Absolutely stunning color. Mother of Dragons highlighter palette, you guys, is absolutely stunning. I just used 2 out of the 3 shades for this particular look, but I'm so excited about this palette. This would be my second choice. The shades are absolutely stunning, and in every light, this hits just right. There's no ashy look to it. My skin underneath looks beautiful. Sometimes, you know, you put on a highlighter and it just highlights all the bad features and all the imperfections. This just looks beautiful. I am so excited. So this would be my second choice. The lipstick, I will be honest, out of the 4 shades, there's probably just 2 shades that are like me, you know, like that they go with me. And it is the Sansa Stark shade, which is this one here, and it is absolutely perfect for me, especially spring and summer. I gravitate towards a little bit more of a sheer lip and more gloss. Sections for all the lipsticks are beautiful, and you know, depending on your taste, I would definitely grab 1 or 2 there. The 4 eyeliners are absolutely stunning, and the colors are so unique that I'm sure you don't have anything like this in your collection already. So I would definitely recommend you pick up 1 of these or 2. If I had to choose my number one, my number one would be this one right here, you guys. This is Night King, you guys. This shade is my absolute favorite. And if you had to pick just one, I would go with this shade. My second choice would be the Lannister Gold. And it's this shade right here. Look how beautiful it is. But again, you can't go wrong with whichever one. Finally, the brushes, you guys. I would get both. I would, because they are just something to have. Think about it. It's the final season of Game of Thrones. I wouldn't invest, if you can invest on anything memorable from the series and you love makeup, I would invest in these brushes. Even if you don't get anything else, I think this would be such a beautiful thing to have in your collection. And just every time you pick it up, you can think of Jon Snow and Arya Stark, which are 2 of my favorite characters in the series. They actually worked pretty good. I applied my transition shade with the Jon Snow Claw, and I cut the crease with Arya Stark needle. So they're both very use of these, and they are just so cool, and they feel pretty great in your hands too, and they look great. So I mean, what else can I say, you guys? This collection is amazing. Urban Decay, great job. I could not love this anymore. I'm so relieved that I love the collection, because if it would have sucked, it would have broken my heart. Follow me on Instagram, because as I mentioned, I will be creating more looks, and check out my blog. I post there 4 to 5 times a week, and there's always fresh content in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. The link is below. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Bye.